Hey guys, so super huge bullish day for crypto, and let's talk about meme coins specifically now. First of all, let's talk about Solana meme coins. Solana was announced as a strategic reserve coin, which is insane. I didn't expect this. I think we will see a new all-time high for Solana. And again, this is a meme coin chain. First of all, this is the biggest meme coin chain. That's why I think meme coins on Solana will be going insane. And which meme coins I'm buying and what I'm scanning. I have this X Pro where I am scanning Dave Portnoy, Kanye West. Joe Rogan has been talking about meme coins lately as well. I think there are like 6 podcasts where he has mentioned meme coins and creating his own one. Ronaldinho. So I am tracking these on basically X on Twitter. Kanye West, by the way, has been, you can see last 30 minutes he has been starting to rant. And that is only because crypto is coming back and he obviously wants to create his own meme coin. That's why he started to talk in first place. How I'm following Coinbase listings for some potential base chain meme coins. And yeah, that's basically how I'm tracking. I'm not really buying any Solana meme coin. The only one I could buy is a Trump coin because obviously Trump is bullish and Trump is the biggest meme coin right now. I am tracking wallets. I am tracking tweets here as well because here you can see seconds ago he tweeted something, and when he tweets something and you go right here, you can catch new narratives, new creations. And if you know how to do this, you can make a lot of money. Here you can see people are basically trading. These are the best meme coin traders on Solana. Here you can see every second someone is buying and selling because right now after the big news on the strategic reserve, trenches are hot. You can make a lot of money. That's why I understand that many celebrities will be coming with new meme coins. And again, Colscan.io, great website where you can find wallet addresses. You can copy wallet addresses. For example, you can see this guy's right now quite active. Go on his profile, copy, go back to BullX, to wallet tracker. Here you basically add wallet, enter his name and wallet address, add wallet, and you will basically see this. You will see the latest coins that they are buying. Here you see the whole list of basically the last transactions that they have done. You can also copy trade them, just buy. Here you can see this icon is if you press it, you will buy 10 cents of worth of the token that they are basically buying or selling. So really great tool. Again, this is a invite only. That's why you can basically get my invite link in the description and in the comment section. This is totally free. There is no nothing hidden. And you are also qualifying for an airdrop by using BullX. That's why I'm using myself, and you can set your own gas fees and you can basically edit everything. So you are buying before the people that are buying with Phantom wallets or swapping on Jupiter. That's why I'm using, because I want to be first. And when, for example, Kanye West drops a token or contract address, I will just copy here, go here, paste it here. For example, I don't have the Kanye West coin, and if this is a Kanye West coin, here you can buy. You can set, for example, 0.2 Solana and just buy. Now, if you are buying with Phantom Wallet or buying on Jupiter, there is a high chance that your basically signature, your buys, your transactions will be so slow that many people will front run you. That's why I'm using BullX, because you can set your own fees right here. You can set them higher. And when you set them higher, and if 10,000 people are buying at once, you will be the first one to buy, because 99% of people are using Phantom Wallet, where you cannot edit your fees. You can add it like a priority fee, slippage limit, both bot protection and buy bribe. So you can basically set this up higher, so you are buying before everyone else. And imagine if like Baron Trump is dropping a token, there will be hundreds of thousands of buying, and sometimes Solana gets so congested that Phantom Wallet fails the transactions Jupiter fails transactions. That's why you want to be on this platform, in my opinion, because here you will not have failed transactions. And on Phantom, you have to approve the token and swap. Here you can press buy and you are done in few seconds after basically someone tweets a new contract address. That's why. Yeah, again, invite link is in the description and in the comment section. So if you're talking about base meme coins, what I'm buying is, here you can see Dog in Me. I'm buying Base God, and the next one is Natoshi. I'm buying Basenji. These are the most undervalued right now. Here you can see Base God is at $11 million in market cap. Dog in Me probably at 26, and this at 26 as well. And I want to show you what happened. Now, first of all, why these three? Is because Brian Armstrong, the founder of Coinbase, has been talking about Dog in Me. I think he has been talking about Base God as well. I think Base Chain account has been basically posting about Basenji. Also Dog in Me, Base God. Basenji is doing a great marketing with advertising on football stadiums in Europe. That's why if you are approaching a bull run euphoria, this will help tremendously. That's why I'm really bullish on Basenji. Now Base God, the most undervalued right here, but if you write Jesse Pollack, which is a founder of Base Chain, he has been talking about TYBG multiple times. Here you can see more than 10 times, and even recently, like in February 25th. Here you can see he replied with TYBG, and he has talked about TYBG in like 6 different podcasts. That's why I am really bullish on this coin, and I think there's a high chance for these 3 to be listed on Coinbase, because Coinbase is listing Solana meme coins. Coinbase also listed Toshi like in the last 2 months, and what happened was insane. I will show you. Here you can see this is the moment before it was listed. The market cap was 50 million. Now when announcement it went like 2x 3x. After it was listed it went to $800 million in market cap. This is wrong, it was actually 800 million. Now if you do your math, 50 million to 800 million is around, I think, 16x, something like that, right? So 500 million, yeah, I mean 15x, which is insane. And it was at $50 million in market cap. Now, if Base God goes there, it is around 80x. If I do my math correctly, right? Yeah, that's 80x. If it goes to 800 million, of course. But even if it goes to 500 million, it's 50x. If it goes to 400 million, it is 40x already, which is insane. And again, I think the fact that Brian Armstrong and Jesse Pollack have mentioned these coins, which is Benji, Basenji, Dog in Me, and Base God, I think there's a high chance they will be listed on Coinbase. Yeah, that's basically my reasoning, and these are the quite long term. After they are listed on Coinbase, I will sell them. But yeah, if you're talking about Solana, I could be buying some Trump. And again, I am following these accounts after they will drop. And why I am following you right here, how you can do this is you go on X. You need a premium account for this, and you go on X Pro. When you go on X Pro, it will open this, and here you will be able to add columns. And so, for example, you add a new one, and you want to add lists. And here, for example, create a new list. I have many lists right here, but you can just create, for example, I don't know, Brian Armstrong. So let's add Brian Armstrong. Let's add, and done. Now it refreshes, refreshes it, and right now we are following Brian Armstrong, and when he posts something, it will update automatically. You don't have to refresh, you don't have to scroll, you don't have to stumble upon, because when you just scroll and stumble upon some tweet, some contract address, and some meme coin that someone posted and created, you are already 5 or 10 minutes late at the fastest. It is really rare if you can stumble upon something in minutes, but if you keep a list like this, you can basically see it on, and you will see it in the first few seconds. So you copy address, go back to BullX Neo, search, enter contract address here, and do everything that I already showed you. And again, BullX Neo is invite only. Invite link is in the description and in the comment section. And yeah, that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully we will see a huge crypto bull run, crypto euphoria, because we have actually approved the strategic reserve. That's why I'm really bullish. And if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload you get notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.